Hey everybody, Christine here from Panic Pixel, and I just wanted to do a little bit of a video just talking about this Miku Expo 2019 glow stick that I got. So I guess this is a bit of like an unboxing slash product highlight video, I guess. So I went to Miku Expo 2019 a couple of weeks ago, and I ended up buying this glow stick, which cost me 260 Hong Kong dollars. Rip my wallet, because this was out of budget, but I really wanted to like kind of wave some glow sticks around with everybody else in the place. Basically, they gave it to me in this plastic bag over here. So looking at the back, you do get the instructions here in English, and it tells you how to operate it. So hold the switch on the front for 2 seconds to turn on the light. The light will cycle through one of 7 colors. So yeah, this thing has 7 colors, and it doesn't do any special like light patterns or anything. It's literally just a solid color and stuff like that. And it shows you which part is the front and the back, and it talks about the battery replacement. So this thing takes 3 AAA batteries. They gave me 3 batteries when I bought this. Not sure if you order it online if you will also get 3 batteries. I doubt it. So let's just take it out of the packaging. Also, as you can see here, there's the lovely official Miku Expo 2019 art right over there. So here at the front over here, you have the Miku Expo 5th anniversary branding, and the handle is completely in black. At the very top, you have this kind of shiny finish over here. And then it also comes with a basic like insert, essentially. The normal shiny inserts that you get with most glow sticks, and you can switch these out if you manage to purchase the character specific ones. I unfortunately did not manage to get those because they were out of stock by the time I got there. Opening this up is just a matter of like twisting until it comes off, and then twist and locking it back down just like so. This comes with a strap, so obviously in the middle of the concert things can get pretty crazy, so you would like to put this here in case, you know, you might hit somebody. So it is in red with a yellow text, Miku Expo, Taiwan and Hong Kong, Hatsune Miku Expo 2019. So that is what it looks like. It's pretty nice fabric and stuff like that. It doesn't seem as cheap as like some other like straps and whatever. You know, they could have like gone for an even cheaper strap, but thankfully no, because like, you know, this was pretty expensive in itself. Looking at the back, this is where you put in the battery. So it takes 3 batteries. There's 2 at the top and 1 at the bottom. So can I take this off? Yes. That's what it looks like. And then you put this little string here so that you can easily pop this one out. So put that back in. Put those 2 back in. Simple enough to replace the battery in these things. There you go. So turning it on, again 7 colors. So press for 2 seconds and then it turns on. So first of all, you have the Hatsune Miku green. Then you have the Kagamine Ren yellow. The Kagamine Rin orange. I might have swapped those 2. Am I correct? Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments below. And then Megurine Luca's pink, and then Meiko's red, and then Kaito's blue, and then you have a solid white for, I don't know, if you don't want to support anybody or if the song calls for it. And then it cycles back to green and stuff like that. So there's no other light patterns or colors in there. If you want to change the color, you basically have to manually hit the button to the beat, and you can't really change the order of the colors and stuff like that. So that's basically a breakdown of like the Hatsune Miku Expo 2019 glow stick. This is my very first glow stick, so I can't really like compare it to anything else. Obviously, it's not as great as like the the whatever blade that people usually use. But in any case, so if you have any questions about this, I obviously will still be keeping this so I can answer any questions you may have. So if you're interested in more of my gaming, geek, and tech ramblings, feel free to hit that subscribe button below and click that cute notification bell for upload notifications. In any case, I am Christine from Panic Pixel. Once again, I hope you had a phenomenal day today. I'll see you around.